Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to draw cycle command in AutoCAD. Before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This channel will daily upload with AutoCAD tips and tricks and with easy methods. Okay, erase. Type UN for the unit check millimeters. Okay. You can search the cycle in the two bars. This is the center radius, center diameter, and other options. Or you can search with the command C for the side guess. Enter center points. You can choose the diameter, side guess, the radius. Right 200 millimeter for the radius. Enter. And then I will choose the dimension here. It is the radius 200 millimeter side gear. Okay, XC for the side gear. Then choose a diameter here. So you can type the diameter value 200 is the diameter. So I will show you the difference. This diameter is the diameter 200. You can see the difference. This is the diameter 200 and radius 200 is not the same. Okay. Okay, I choose another option, 2.3 point. Choose the line, start here, 200 millimeters, enter. And line L again, here, 200 millimeter, enter. So I explained the 2-point side guess. Choose here 2 point, click, first endpoint, click. Is the first endpoint of the side diameter, click, the second endpoint of the side diameter. Okay, enter. And then again, choose 2P from the below. First endpoint of the side diameter, second endpoint of the side diameter. So you can get easily 2-point side guess between two lines. Okay. C for the side gear, 2P, first endpoint of the side diameter. So if you cannot see the center or endpoint midpoint, you can object net from here. Okay. Another way is OS and AP. Enter. You can select the endpoint midpoint, the other setting. Okay. C for the side gear, 2 point, first endpoint, second endpoint. Okay, very easy. So another 3-point side guess, I will show you how to draw it. L line, choose auto off. Choose here, I will draw a small triangle here. And then I will show you the side guess circumference on it. 3-point, click. First point on the side gear, second point on the side gear, third point. So this is the 3-point side guess. I will show you again. Choose the 2 bar, 3 point is the same, second, third, enter. Okay, another is the tangent radius and tangent command. Okay. I will explain how the tangent radius command. Then for the line here, auto on, click, 200, enter. And then line again, click, 150, and then I will click, I will enter the tab key to choose the angle 20. Okay, line again, click 150, tap at minus 20 angle here. Like C for the side gear, click radius something, C for the side gear, and then we have two side gear. We need to connect the tangent radius side gear here. Choose tangent radius here, click the tangent line first, second tangent, and under the radius of the side gears, I choose 30s. Okay. So this is the tangent radius. Okay. You will need this drawing method in the mechanical drawings. Yeah. Choose trim command here, click, and then okay, I will erase. I will show you next again. See for the side gear, choose tangent radius, tangent. The radius is 30. Okay, trim command here, click. So this is the tangent radius. Then finally the last setting is tangent. Okay, first 200 millimeter, 100 millimeters, and then choose a line here, auto off, and then auto on 100, and then tap the panda degree 20, and then line again 100, tap key minus 20 for the angle here. Okay, so we need the tangent 3 point, tangent, click the tangents. So we need the tangents here. Okay, so we have to complete all the lesson for the side gear commands. Yeah, this is the radius, side gears, diameters, and 2 points, 2 point side gear,